Good morning guys, I am Vinod and I have brought very important few tips in this video. So in this video exactly I am just going to tell you about few important tips which can help you to learn English. The tips are: first tips, that is about the practice; the second one, that is about the schedule; third one, sentence; and the fourth one, that is about the vocabulary. So these four tips definitely will help you to learn English, right? So in this video exactly I am just going to tell you one by one what is the use and how to use everything. So first of all I will tell you about the practice. The practice is a really very important if you want to learn English. So what is the main important point? Obviously, because if you want to do the practice, then definitely you will learn English. If you have any problem, if you don't like to do the practice, then this is really very difficult to go with any particular like the outcome, right? So if you want to learn English, then you have to do the practice. Without practice it is really very difficult. If you want to do better, then you have to do the practice. So this is really very useful. And the second one, that is about the schedule. The schedule is equally important. We just feel कि when I get free time, then I will do the practice. So this is our strategy to do the practice. So but this is wrong. If your practice and the schedule are connecting each other, right? If you want to learn English, then you have to do the practice. Make some schedule for the practice and just do your practice exactly on that particular time. Why? Because English is not only the things in our life, so many other like the things also in our life. Just we have to do everything, right? Make sure whenever you are doing practice, so choose one time, anytime. It's depend on you exactly when you want to give the time. Just you have to choose that particular time and do your practice. So definitely you will do something better, so this is the way to do the practice exactly on time. So make the schedule just to do the practice and definitely it will help you. And don't distract it. You have to do it regularly and definitely you can see the better outcome, right? So now I can tell you about the sentence also. So if I talk about the sentence, then I have seen the beginners, they want to write down the sentence on their notebook and just they want to memorize it. So guys, this is completely bad. Why? Because there is no way, there is no way to memorize the sentence. The sentence never be copied, sentence never be memorized. If you want to be perfect, then you have to get the concept only from the sentences, right? But you are not supposed to write down on the notebook and just memorize it. This is completely bad habit. Why? Because the sentence you have to make it. The sentence is a really very useful, but it should be drafted by you. Don't make copy from any other sources and write down on the notebook and just memorize it. Don't do it. So this is not the way to learn English. So just the sentence, in the sense you should get only the concept and nothing else. When you have a better knowledge about word meanings, if you are doing everything, then automatically you will draft the sentence, right? So sentence you have to draft, don't memorize it. Now I can tell you about the vocabularies. So guys, the vocabulary in the sense word meanings, right? It's a very important. I have seen many people, they don't focus on word meanings, they only focus on grammar lessons and just they feel after focusing on grammar lesson they will be able to make the sentence. So guys, this is not possible. If you want to learn English, then equally you have to focus on vocabularies also. Otherwise definitely you will have to face lot of problem to construct the sentence. So guys, make habit to write down around 3 to 4 words meaning every day on your notebook and just memorize it. It is just opposite to the sentence. In the way of sentence you cannot memorize it, but if I talk about the vocabularies, then definitely you have to memorize it. And every day you have to write down around 3 to 4 words on your notebook, memorize it, and definitely you will be able to construct the sentence. And you can feel like that ki how does that possible, there are so many words meaning. If I write down only the 3 words, it will take too much time. But guys, you have to do like that. If you write down around 3 words every day, just you can calculate in 1 month it would be around 90 words meaning, right? And similarly you can calculate just in 6 months, in 1 year, how many words power will be in your mind. So you have to follow the same as I told you and definitely you can see the result, and result will be really something better. So guys, I have told you about 4 tips in this video, and which are really very important, right? Because we can ignore all those videos. Why? Because just we feel, you know, this is not useful. But you tell me, first of all, you must go on the base, right? If your base is not so strong, how does that possible to learn English, right? So first of all, whatever I have given you the tips, these are really very important. If you want to learn the English, just follow all these 4 tips, and definitely you can see the better result. So guys, just you have to follow like that. So guys, if you like my video, then you can subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, then you can write down in the comment box. So guys, I'm just going to close this video. Till then, take care and bye. Thank you guys.